Ka Indian Railways lengba ka Railways Recruitment Board 2024 ka khot application nang mta kini ki post ki baper kata janga post junior engineer, depot material superintendent, chemical and metallurgical assistant, chemical supervisor and metallurgical supervisor research. But class date ban submit yagi take application forms kandai haduga arbkhnai tarik bunai bapra ajar absaw. Kapos nim ka banangkong na kabanca ka chemical supervisor research but ka metallurgical supervisor research ka total number of posts kan don ka new ligi post ka age limit ka prado life rules nam but ka apa is relaxation na kabanca ki ST kan day sans nam tiplaban apply hadu south voice nam but ka salary kan day ka pay level 7 kata south jar kan day spa Nagamenta ka post ka baar, kata ka post nim ka badai ka junior engineer, depot material superintendent and chemical metallurgical assistant. Ka total number of posts kan don hadu 9,000 kandai spa live sau lagi post. But ka age limit kan dai khat prado live rules nem. But ka opa age relaxation nang mata ki ST kan dai sans nem kata hadu sau post nem pila aban apply nagamenta kita ki post. Nang ta ka salary kan di pay level 6 kata live sanajar sauce pa plus but kui pade kijing siu na kebenca ka qualification lani ka kedan ka bapila ban apply ki applicants lani ki candidate ki depan pendep ya ka degree in chemical technology lani metallurgical engineering lani 3 years diploma in mechanical electrical electronics engineering but kumjuru ka 3 years diploma in civil engineering or BSc in civil engineering Shushu kibla pendep yaka 3 years diploma in mechanical production, automobile, electrical, electronics, instrumentation and control engineering. Lani ki bachelor degree in science with physics and chemistry with minimum of 45 marks from the recognized university or institute. Takamut kinu ki candidates lani ki applicants ki bla pendep ya ka BSc harangkat but ka subject physics but ka chemistry pila man apply nak bentai ki take ki post ki bangala ka deu haneng. But kumno ba pin apply nak bentai ki take ki post hapo ka RRB recruitment portals lani jong ka snap ajar apsau ti pila ban apply ya ka telung ba ka online application forms lengba ka official website jong ka RRB recruitment ka ba and sabu hishan but ka opening date senam ta ki application forms kan dei nadu ka live potrik ubanai ba new aja arpsau hadu ka closing date pade hadu ka arkhnai tarik banai ba pra ajar arpsau but nagamta ka railway recruitment selection procedure kindon kisi computer based test but ka document verification test also but ka medical examinations but kumjuru nagamta ka application fees nagamta jungi ki ST kan ditang arspa sanpo tangka kawi ka application forms Titangkum tahi nagamta ka ni ka employment news ka ba menta ka si kermen bapila yo jing tip bat lada pi kwa ban tip company nagamta ka kite ki post ka bangala ka deu haneng pila ban download ya ka notification dang ba ka link ka bangan sabu hapo ka description box ke jonga di lada pidang dei ki parlok lene ki viewers hapo kane ka channel jonga ki badang thymmai and sobha ban karpa dia pi ba pin ya share like but subscribe nagamta ki employment news ki ba thymmai lene ki badang wan tangkum tahi kublai shibun